Welcome. Windows 11 will be updated without rebooting. Software giant Microsoft is testing a new procedure that will not require a computer restart after installing Windows 11 updates. It was used on Windows Server and Xbox. The new update technique is called hot patching. Previously, this update method was introduced for Windows Server and Xbox, but now the new function has been discovered in the latest version of Windows 11 released for developers. The technology will only be used for monthly security patches. Apparently, operating system updates with new features will work the same as before. The hot patching feature is expected to appear in Windows 2024 version 11.24H2, which is scheduled to be released in the fall of 2424 for x86 and x64 computers. ARM64 devices will get this feature in 2025. It is not yet specified whether hot patching will be available to all users of Windows 11 or whether it will be used in commercial versions of the operating system.